As you know, we are living on planet Earth in the universe. Looking back on the history of the Earth, we find three big events there. The first one is the generation of life 4 billion years ago, and the second is that the life expanded to land, and the third is what is going on now, that we are venturing into space out of the Earth. In recent days, the space is getting closer thanks to innovative technologies such as microsatellites, and a lot of microsatellites are now developing by the groups of not only scientists and engineers but also various planners. So the persons who are engaged in the space activities have been called users, and the activities missions, but at the present called players and contents. If you try to be a player of space contents as engineer, why don't you cultivate your skills of satellite? Here we developed an introductory CANSAT called iCANSAT to educate the satellite technologies in the world. This is iCANSAT. Though iCANSAT is a very simple system compared to the real satellites, it consists of similar subsystems such as electric power supply, communication, and some sensing devices. So you can see the scheme of satellites through fabrication of iCANSAT. iCANSAT consists of 6 layers. The first layer contains the positioning device of GPS and interfaces to users, and the second is electric power supplying subsystem, and there is batteries. And on the third layer we prepared a universal board so that you can implement some sensors such as gyro, magnetic sensor, pressure sensor, and so on as you like. And the fourth layer is the main system, including an onboard computer, and all of behavior of iCANSAT is calculated and determined here. The fifth layer possesses a camera, and you can take pictures automatically or when you instruct its timing by a program in the onboard computer. The final layer has an XP communicator, and you can transmit data in flight to the ground station. When you fabricate iCANSAT, some background knowledge and skills of soldering would be necessary. So we prepared an instruction manual of iCANSAT, and we expect that you study them through the fabrication of iCANSAT. Eventually, after the completion of iCANSAT, you will already understand what a satellite is, how a satellite forms, and why don't you make a flight test of iCANSAT. And we hope that you can find the pleasure of technologies through the fabrication of iCANSAT and proceed to your point of view to the space.